Good morning, class 12. Dear student, topic definite integration and the property a to b fx dx. It is a to b f a plus b minus x dx. So question based on this property. Dear student, question is evaluate the integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 root sin x upon root sin x plus root cos x dx. See the solution. Here we will apply the property a to b fx dx equal to a to b f a plus b minus x dx. So it is limit pi by 6 to pi by 3 root sin. Dear student, pi by 6 plus pi by 3 becomes pi by 2. So it is pi by 2 minus x upon root sin pi by 2 minus x plus 2 cos pi by 2 minus x dx. Let it is I. So limit pi by 6 to pi by 3. It is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Since sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Therefore, it is cos x. There will be cos x plus root sin x dx. Let it is equation 2 and this is equation 1. And it is noted by integration I. So, after adding 1 and 2, we will get adding 1 and 2, we will get 2i equal to integration limit pi by 6 to pi by 3 root sin x upon, now denominator is common, so it is sin x plus root cos x and numerator becomes root sin x plus root cos x dx. Dear student, here numerator denominator are equal, so they are cancelled out. It is pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx. Now integration of dx is x and limit of integration is pi by 6 to pi by 3. Then 2i equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 6. And it will be pi by 6. So integration I equal to pi by 12. So value of integration is pi upon 12. Dear student, next is solve the integration a to b x power 1 upon n divided by x power 1 by n plus a plus b minus x whole power 1 by n dx. Then n is greater than n equal to 2 and n is a natural number. Dear student, that this integration is I. So I equal to a to b x power 1 upon n x power 1 upon x power 1 by n plus a plus b minus x whole power 1 dx. Now applying the same property of definite integration. So it is a limit a to b x is replaced by a plus b minus x. So it is a plus b minus x whole power 1 upon n divided by this x becomes a plus b minus x whole power 1 upon n plus, and it will be x, since a plus b minus x, so it is a plus b minus a minus b plus x is cancel out, so it is only x whole power 1 by n dx. Now this is equation 2, this is equation 1, adding 1 and 2 we will get a to b, denominator of both the integration is same, a plus b minus x whole power 1 upon n plus x power 1 upon n, and numerator is x power 1 upon n plus a plus b minus x whole power 1 upon n dx. Since numerator and denominator are equal, so they are cancelled out, and it is a to b dx. Integration of dx is x, limit of integration a to b, so it is b minus a. Value of this integration is b minus a, upper limit minus lower limit. Now, student, next property is 0 to a f h dx. It becomes 0 to a f a minus x dx. Now, there is a question, limit 0 to pi by 2 root 10x upon root 10x plus root cot x dx. See the solution. We will apply this property here. So it is 0 to pi by 2 root 10 pi by 2 minus x upon root 10 pi by 2 minus x plus root cot pi by 2 minus x dx. Then here it is 0 to pi by 2 root 10 pi by 2 minus x is root cot x. It is root cot x upon root cot x plus root 10x dx. Let it is equation 2. This is equation 1. Integration is supposed as I. So adding 1 into. So this is 2i equal to limit 0 to pi by 2. Now here denominator is same, root 10x plus root cot x, and numerator also will be same, it is root 10x plus root cot x. Now this is cancelled out. Now integration of dx is x and limit of integration is 0 to pi by 2. It is 2i. Therefore 2i is pi by 2 minus 0 and I equal to pi by 4. So value of this integration is pi by 4. Now the next question is integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx upon cos power nx plus sin power nx dx. Let this integration is I. We have to find the value of this integration. Now applying the property. So I equal to limit 0 to pi by 2 sin power n, it is pi by 2 minus x upon sin pi by 2 minus x power n plus cos power n, it is pi by 2 minus x dx. Then sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so it is 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx upon cos power nx plus sin power nx dx. Let it is equation 2. This is equation 1. Adding 1 and 2, we will get I equal to 2i is 0 to pi by 2. And here numerator denominator is cancel out. Sin power nx plus cos power nx upon cos power nx plus sin power nx. dx. So it's cancelled. It is 0 to pi by 2 dx. Integration of dx is x. Limit 0 to pi by 2. So 2i is again pi by 2 minus 0 and value I of I becomes pi by 4. So this type of the integration mostly having the answer pi by 4. Here n may be any number, maybe 1 by 2, 1,